What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to purchase businesses in Schedule 1. So what we are going to do is basically buy some businesses, and I'm going to show you how to get loads of cash in your bank account. So what we are going to do is we are going to follow these steps accurately. Don't skip the video, otherwise you will miss out on all the wordful tips I'm going to give you. So let's dive straight into it. So the first step will be that you have to download the Melon Loader, and I've got a complete tutorial for that, and I will link the video right on top in the screen so you can watch the complete video on how to download Melon Loader into your game. The next step is to go to this site, and I will leave a link in the description to go to this mod, and this is the CDXX trainer mod. And basically what it does, it is able to give you loads of cash and XP in this game to skip the process of grinding yourself up to a few $1,000s in your bank account. So what we are doing is basically going to this website, and we will download this mod by clicking on manual. You need to have an account, so you have to create an account, but it's completely free. So once you have done that, you can click on manual download. And as you can see, we need the Melon Loader as an additional file in our game. So make sure you have downloaded Melon Loader before you are going to install this mod. Now click on download. And once you have downloaded the mod, you will see a pop-up that it is downloaded into your download files. Now, as you can see, we can open it. We are going to there. And now what you have to do is extract this zip folder using a extract software or just the stock Windows one. And we can extract all by clicking on that, and then you can extract it into your downloads. So we will extract this file. And as you can see, we got the DLL file over here. This is the mod we are going to install into our game. So what we need to do is to make sure our game is closed. So we will close our game for now. And once we have done that, we are able to search for the game files. So we will close the game now. And what we need to do is basically go to Steam, and there we will find the game. And we will right click on it, then go to manage, browse local files. And what we need to do is go to the mods folder. If you have installed the Melon Loader, you have created a mods folder. And this is where you can drag in all your files, all the mods you are going to use. So the next step is to drag the CDXX file into this folder. And once you have done that, you can close basically this folder. And the next step, of course, is to open the game. So now we are going to open the game, and I will show you guys how to use the mod in game. So click on play, and now as you can see, the Melon Loader is popping up. And what it does now is basically installing these mods into your game. Once it's done, you can start up the game. Now just open your game as usual, and as you can see, we are now going to the game. Give it a few moments to load up, and as you can see, we are spawning in right now. So the next step is to basically open your mobile phone by pressing your M on your keyboard, then click on this button and go to messages, and there you will find the CDXX message. Click on that. Now once you have done that, we are going to player management and then click our profile. As you can see, we have opened our profile, and now we can do all kinds of things like give cash, give XP, set jump power, set walking speed, kick, airstrike. You can do everything. But what we are going to do now is basically give ourselves some cash by pressing this button, and then you can enter the amount of cash you would like to receive. So let's say we would like to receive $50,000. That is very easy. Just press 50,000 and then enter. And as you can see, we just received 50,000 US dollars of cash in this game. That is very nice. So the next step is basically close your mobile phone. And now we are going to purchase some businesses. But we need to deposit some money first, and unfortunately we got a deposit limit of $10,000 a week. So we can't buy it all at once, but that doesn't matter. We will now deposit the max amount we can deposit, and as you can see we have deposited 10k of dollars. So we are heading now to the real estate office, and there we will see you guys again. Here we are at the real estate office, and we are going to buy some businesses. And the first business you need to buy is the laundromat, because that is the most cheapest one that is available under 10k, because we just deposited 10k on our bank account, and as you can see we can buy that one for just $4,000. You can also buy the bungalow if you want to invest in a property, but for now we will buy the laundromat. So we are going to that, talk to the guy, and as you can see you can ask him what do you have for sale. Now continue, have a look, and after that you can talk to him again, and then you can select I like to buy a property, so the bungalow, or I like to purchase a business. And now I'm going to show you guys how to purchase a business. So select the laundromat, and as you can see we can select it, and we just bought the laundromat. And it has disappeared from the building list, and we can now continue to the laundromat to see what we have bought. So the next step is, of course, if you got some more money, then you can deposit it to make sure it is safe and you will not get arrested by the police. But that is unfortunately only available after a week in game time. So once you have done that, now you can visit the laundromat, and as you can see we just bought this laundromat. You get a nice little access to the storage and a managed business. So here is basically where you can laundromat money. So what you can do is launder, and then select the amount you would like to launder and then confirm. It is being processed, and as you can see we can now leave the business, and now it's just laundering our money. So that is a good first step to invest in a business. And once you have done this, you have successfully purchased your first business. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!